One of the most common questions I get from folks looking to sell their home is, how do I get more money for the house and have it sell more quickly? And there are two things you can do that cost you almost nothing that have the biggest impact. One is decluttering, getting rid of everything at the house that doesn't stay with the house. Everything that you're going to be moving, get it all out of there. And depersonalizing is part of decluttering. Take down all the family photos, get all that done, make all that stuff go. Your house will look bigger when it has less stuff in it. The second thing is cleaning. I know everybody here who watches this cleans everything, but when was the last time you pulled out the fridge and cleaned behind there? When was the last time you got on your hands and knees and wiped down all the baseboards? Doing a full, thorough cleaning will make the house sparkle, it'll make it smell good, it'll make it more desirable to buyers. Those two things get your house sold for more money, more quickly. If you need some help or you have other questions, give us a call, we'll help you out.